General and icebreaker questions. How's your day going so far? What do you usually do in your free time? What kind of music do you like? Do you prefer coffee or tea? Why? What's your favorite way to relax after a long day? Do you have any hobbies or special interests? What's your dream travel destination? If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be? Have you ever tried something completely out of your comfort zone? What's one thing you really enjoy about your city? Getting to know someone. Where are you originally from? How long have you been living here? What's something interesting about your culture? What do you do for a living? How did you get into your current job or field? Do you enjoy what you do? Why or why not? Have you always wanted to do this job, or did you have other plans? If you could switch careers, what would you love to do? What's one thing you're really passionate about? Have you ever thought about starting your own business? Entertainment and interests. What's the last movie or TV show you watched? Do you prefer books, movies, or TV series? Why? Who's your favorite actor or actress? What kind of books do you enjoy reading? What's a movie that you could watch over and over again? Have you ever been to a live concert? Which one? Do you enjoy going to the theater or prefer watching movies at home? What's a song that always puts you in a good mood? Have you ever met a celebrity or famous person? What's the best concert or event you've ever attended? Travel and experiences. Have you ever traveled to another country? Where? What's the best trip you've ever taken? Do you prefer beaches or mountains? Why? What's one travel experience you'll never forget? Do you prefer solo travel or traveling with friends/family? What's a place you've always wanted to visit but haven't yet? Do you like spontaneous trips, or do you prefer to plan everything? What's the most interesting food you've tried while traveling? Have you ever had a travel disaster? What happened? Would you rather live in a big city or a small town? Making plans and socializing. What are your plans for the weekend? Do you like trying new restaurants or sticking to your favorites? What's your favorite way to spend time with friends? Are you more of a morning person or a night owl? Do you enjoy cooking, or do you prefer eating out? If we could have dinner anywhere, where would you choose? What's something fun we should do together soon? Would you rather go out or have a cozy night at home? How do you usually celebrate your birthday? What's one thing you've always wanted to try but haven't yet?